So this, I'm super excited about this. It is, I think, one of the coolest cameras that you could possibly get your hands on as a family. Kodak's Fun Saver. There's different models. Well, this morning I was actually a bit sad that I didn't get the waterproof one because we're at the beach, and yeah, so that would have been great. How do we get this open?
Ek gaan dit oopmaak. Ek kon dit oopmaak. Ek kon dit oopmaak.
There. Oh, good job, dude. Super plasticky. Plastic lens. I think the aperture is like f9 or f8. It's got 800 film, cheap film in there. This one has, I think, 39 exposures. Normally they have 27 exposures, but this one is an extra 12, so 39 exposures. Super simple to use. Are you cool? Huh? Okay. So what you need to know about this camera, I'll get past the boring stuff. So it's a point and shoot. So you aim through that little thing over there. I don't know if you guys can see it. Can you see my face? Anyway, so it this thing over here, this thing over there is the lens. What you need to know is, if you are a bigger person, you often do that. So you often, when you want to shoot, you have a finger in front of the lens somewhere, so just be aware of that. Let me just go through this again. Hold flash ready light. So if you want to if you want the flash to hold, I guess you press that, but I'm not going to press it now. So the other thing, apart from putting your finger in front of the lens, because it is pretty simple, is a metering focusing distance. And for the rest of it, this thing is what your family needs, because there's no more cell phones that you have to take out constantly and then scroll through your Instagram post while you're spending time with the family. You take this thing with you, you take 1 or 2 shots, because you are limited in terms of shots. Then I mean, it will help you spend more time with your family. They want to go up the mountain and take pictures, so make sure that it's a meter apart. Make sure that there's sufficient light. If there isn't any, come on, guys. They want to shoot YouTube video clips, but they can't do that. So I guess you guys want to see what the quality of this camera, or what this camera can do. I'm going to get them both to shoot on this, and the snakes are coming out, so I honestly don't want my kid to be bitten by a snake. So see you in a bit. Okay, so take 2. Get yourself one of these. It is it's a cool camera. Don't make the mistake of putting your finger in front of the lens. Click the shutter button, advance button. It is as simple as that. So I'm going to post some images while we walk around.
And don't forget, the ops will eat it because they think it's bananas.
So we just got, earlier you saw that thing, and then they wanted to go for a hike, but then he got attacked by a baboon. No, I tell you, this is not a lie. So tell them what happened.
Ek het gekyk by old band en maak hy my seer hier so kyk. Jy sien hy.
So yeah, enjoy the video.
Subscribe!
Do that. Cheers. Thanks.
Bye! Bye.